So in this Apple Pages tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add a straight line here on the Pages iPhone application. So once Pages is opened up, I want you guys to go to the top right and select the purple square. Once you're on this page, I want you guys to go to the shapes icon. So you might start where it says discover here, just slide this top bar to the right to where it says shapes. And there's three different options. There's text, there's the curved line, there's the straight line. We want to go ahead and add a straight line, so we'll press on that in the top right. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and edit the line whatever you want. So you can make it whatever degree you want. If you wanted to make it exactly straight, you can make sure it's 90 degrees. You can make it smaller, you can make it taller, whatever the case may be, and go ahead and press check. And that's how you guys can add a straight line here on Pages. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to add a straight line on Pages on the Apple iPhone or whatever Apple device you're using. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.